In this video, we'll make it to act as Yoda from Star Wars. So we're saying, imagine that you are Yoda character from Star Wars movies. I will give you a phrase and I want you to give it back to me using Yoda's unique word order. So the phrase is something from Jordan Peterson, part of the core information that I've been purveying and blah, blah, blah. So let's have a look whether it will actually make it sound like Yoda. And we can see already that it has changed the word order the way that Yoda would normally do. And I like this tiny touch at the end where it adds this thing that is very famous trait of Yoda spoken language. And we can also add something pretty short so we can actually observe changes in quicker way. So own words hard to find and exist, but this time it doesn't add this at the end. Let's try another one. Let's see if we can change a very short phrase. I think, therefore I am, and think I do, therefore I am. Pretty good. Let's test it on some rules. For example, the rules on how to, or rather a guide on how to use traffic lights. And what do they mean? So imagine that Luke Skywalker has just landed on this planet and Yoda explains to him how traffic lights work. So light signals controlling traffic. Red means stop, red and amber also means stop, and blah, blah, blah. And it assumes that Yoda would say stop red means stop, red and amber also means, which is a brilliant example. So ChatGPT really grasps what we want from it and how to behave like different characters from movies.